we're gonna make a cornbread cowboy casserole. Starting with 2 pounds of ground beef. We're gonna get this brown and drain and start adding in our other stuff into the meat. All right, we got that brown and drain, and we're gonna throw in our taco seasoning. Whatever taco seasoning you prefer, just throw it on in there. Get that flavor. Give it a little toss. And then we're also gonna throw in a can of pinto beans. Undrained, you don't need to drain them. Rotel, also you don't need to drain that. Just pour the whole thing in there. And then some white corn, whole kernels. This you do drain. Throw that in there with the meat, and you're gonna let it simmer in there for 5 minutes. While that's simmering, take 2 corn muffin mix packets, throw them in a mixing bowl. Throw in 2/3 cup of milk, a couple of eggs, and get that all mixed together. Got that mixed together. Now we're gonna come back to that meat mixture that we made and pour it into our bowl. I have to do it with both hands because this thing is heavy. I'm not trying to break my wrists.
Look, it's all going in there.
Yeah. This is one of those really good Tex-Mex easy recipes. All right, once you got that in there, we're also going to throw in a cup of shredded cheese. I did cheddar, you can do whatever cheese you want. Shredded it myself because it just melts better like that. But if you don't have time and want to do the bag stuff, that's all good. Once you have all that in there, you're going to want to stir it all together. Get everything mixed together, the cornbread, the cheese, everything. Just all one big happy Tex-Mex family. All right, got that good and folded in together. So we're going to bring over our 9x13 baking dish and just pour it on in there. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, man, that looks good. I cannot wait to see how this turns out. Alrighty. So we've got the oven preheated to 425. We're gonna throw it in there for 30 minutes. And this thing should be ready. 30 minutes. Let's see how this turned out. Oh yeah, it's like a perfect golden brown on top. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. We're talking a little more quiet because we just put our daughter down. But don't let that hide the excitement that I have about this. We're gonna let this thing cool off for a minute and then I'm gonna try it. All right, let's give this a try. Okay, a little piece here.
Oh, smells so good.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
That's some good home cooking right there. Got the cheese all melted in there too. It's nice and meaty. And then if y'all want, you can add a couple extras on top. I personally am gonna add a little sour cream. My wife would leave this part out, so.
Yeah.
But I like sour cream on this kind of stuff. And then also, if you want to add a little bit of salsa on top or hot sauce, I'm putting a little salsa on there. Let's give this thing a try. Mmm. That's really good. That's really good, y'all. Mmm. That's just a good down-home Tex-Mex. Some good comfort food. Mmm. If you're like looking for something to bring to the next get together, try this out.